Alright guys, Lasko here, welcome to a video, and today here's a quality 12-inch Oscillating table fan. Got this off Facebook Marketplace for, I think it was 30 bucks. Yeah, I know. Yeah, so it's 30 bucks. By the way, I'm recording with another Sony Handycam that I bought. It's another CX240. It's a nice one too. It's a nice fan. Side of it. Here's the back. Oscillator knob. Got the vents. Base right there. Cord comes out like that into the outlet. There's the back carry handle. It's got all the 4 grow clips, which is nice. One here, one here, one here, and one at the bottom. It's got these blue blades, which I really like. It's in a really nice shape. I really like it. Off, low, medium, high. Oops. So let's start this thing off on low. Here we go. Here's the shark, which will make a video soon. Making some interesting noises. And then high, oscillate. Thrust washers might be going bad on it because it's making that metallic rattling noise because the shaft's going in and out very fast. It's not the quietest fan. The motor's making some scraping noises. Well, it's probably the gearbox actually. It's blowing a lot of air though. Has that nice roaring noise. Yeah, that like airflow tester, which is always just toilet paper. Oh yeah, look at that. It's just throwing the air out. Wow, look at that. This thing's no joke. Blows a lot of air. Oscillator knob. Yeah, this thing's quite powerful. Sit down. Show the model number on it. Down. Well, it's not really a model number on here, but it is a 2150 basically. So, that's going to be it.